This is insane. Oh, I got some drops on the camera. Check this out. This is a rain. This is a rain. Okay guys, to start up this vlog, I'm gonna say big congrats to my friend Shuffle Gamer. I'm gonna show his channel right here, and I also will leave it in the link in the description down the video, so you can check him out. And yeah, this guy just hit 100k. He's my friend Shuffle Gamer. I watch his all videos, all GTA videos. As you can see here, he just hit 100 subs. So congrats buddy. I'll put your channel in the description, so guys you can check him out. He does awesome videos. I watch his videos, some GTA. I learned some like new techniques and new styles, like to be better like a GTA gamer whatever you call it. And yeah, let's continue this vlog. So guys, normally I don't show this, but we'll go awesome biscuits, but this is not the point. I'm saying the most important thing is this. We got, I don't know, this is a red berry or a red currant, but I don't know the perfect name, because you know there's made different made different the meaning, and you know. And this is a roseberry, but actually as you can see it's actually yellow. Check this out. Or everything is like a rose color, and then there's the yellow ones. Yellow raspberry. Check this out. Crazy. And then we got strawberry. Beautiful view. And we got the birds. See, that's the bird house. That's the bird house. And there's some small birds out there. See, when I got close to the house, they go ham. So that. Like bunch of them comes here, and they think that I'm attacking their house, but actually not. See, so many birds out here. All right, roseberry, but actually yellow berry. I don't know, like yellow raspberries, then red berries and strawberry. Awesome. Where can you get that? Look, like a full supply, like 1 kg of the fruits, man. Healthy. Okay. Yo guys, as always, the best quality lifts over here, and it doesn't work. And we're starting the day here. Check out what's behind you. Check out what's behind you. Beautiful view from the 11th floor. Crazy, right? Let's go. So actually guys, what I need to tell you, today is the day before we go fishing. So today is like a preparation day. So we need to get all the stuff ready together. Yeah, that's why we're bringing some stuff to the garage, putting all the fishing ropes together, and then we're ready to head out to the fish.
To the fish.
To the fishing lake, you know. To the lake, you know. Guys, that was the first stop at the fisherman's house. We got some you know, the small bugs or worms that you fish for the fish. I'll show you the red ones. Sure, open. So I'll give you an exact name for those. They're good for fish, like good for fishing. Okay, next stop. next stop is my grandfather's garage. So actually he has like 3 garages all over the Kharkiv. So all over the city. He has like 3 or 4 garage. So this is one of them. Okay, spot that. Dirty.
Не надо снимать здесь.
This is old crap. Very old crap. So the one thing I hate about the parking, I hate about the fishing is that the parking part. It takes lots of time, right, Daniel? Where's Mr. Daniel? And you know, all of this stuff, you know, preparing, like getting the food for fish, takes so much effort, and Mr. Daniel's just hiding there. And the worst part is packing.
Yeah, man, because you don't do anything.
Yeah, right. Yeah, look who's talking, right? Mr. Daniel. Okay, let's see what he's doing.
Давай сюда.
Crazy dude, crazy. You wanna be one of the dudes?
Let's see who catches the biggest fish.
Okay, let's see. Okay guys, quick stop break. Going in the house to eat, and then we're gonna go pack the rest in the garage. Consider the part 2 of the packing. So the packing is in process. I'll catch you there. We are almost ready, packed up. So I'm gonna go up to give you a better awesome time lapse. I don't know if you can actually go up here, but let's check this out. Going up to give you one of the best time lapses. Look, I'm on top of the garages over here. It's like a box over here. Be careful. I'm gonna give you the best time lapses possible. One of the best ones.
Давай.
So we all ready.
Что?
Ooh, dangerous stuff. So we all packed up all this stuff. I'm on top of the garages right now, just having a take a look at this view. It's incredible, awesome, crazy, and the clouds are gray out there. Beautiful buildings, awesome. Damn. Okay, we need to go down. My man, don't run away. I got you. This is insane. Oh, I got some drops on the camera. Check this out. This is the rain. This is a rain, baby. I told you the gray sky is coming. The rain's coming. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful day. Holy. Check this out. Woo! Look at the cars, wait. Look at the cars. Snap! They're all in water. Is it the crazy storm coming back to Russia or Ukraine? What the hell is wrong with that car? What? For 1 second I thought it was like driving on the front wheels. Look, this is all water. All water. All that brown stuff, it's water and dirt. See? All water. Jeez. Damn, it even got dark that much, man. Too much rain out there. Big truck delivering stuff. Yeah. Yo guys, I decided to go on the staircase, but it looks freaking scary. Freaking scary. Oh snap, look at this. This only blocks me from... I don't want to come close nearby. This is how scary it is. Oh no, I'm not getting close to that. Shit. No. I'm using the other one because that one is freaking scary, and I'm too black right now. No racist jokes, but there's no light. And okay, this is not the best one. Where's my boy? One boy. Okay, I'm using the other staircase, which is open because the previous one was closed, and this one is way less scarier to come nearby. But look at that, it's all like, oh, you can see the lake out from here. Crazy. Oof. Damn, Daniel. Oh, nasty, dirty out. We're in the first floor. Boys, you ready? Ooh. Holy smokes. Oh, oh boy. There's a lake in front of the house. There's a lake. Ooh. Ooh. The rain got a little bit lower, but still look at the clouds. Ooh. Oh, looking beautiful. Whoops, the door shut. Hey. Open. You pagal, open. Open, you Hey, you stupid ninja. There we go. Mr. Daniel. Yo guys, before ending the vlog, that's a hell of rain. Ow. Holy smokes. Check this out. Damn. It's like a water flow from all the way up. Goes all the way down. Check that out. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that car. Wait, let's. Oh damn. Oh damn, boy. Look at it. Look at him pass. Wait, let's see. Oh damn, that's a full of a lake. No. Yeah. Don't get off focus. Be on focus, please. Be on focus. Oh damn. Oh damn, Daniel. Alright guys, I gotta end it here because it was day before the fishing. I don't know, because there's so much rain outside and the roads are floated, and I'm not sure if we're gonna go or no, because there's just too much rain, and where we're going there's a lot of dirt, and the roads are made of like there from the dirt, and it's in the forest. So if we go there with this kind of rain like that, it's not gonna dry by tomorrow, and we're gonna get stuck in there. So I'll give you information more about that on tomorrow's vlog, if we're gonna go or no. You will know about that. And I gotta end it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. You're the best. Stay strong, stay happy. You're one of a kind, and I'll see you next time. See you.